Credits on Lovable are expensive, and at the same time they're also scarce, meaning that they go by very, very fast. Even if you are in a paid plan, especially in those beginner tiers, it's very easy to spend them in just a few days. So I'm going to show you a few ways that I have found to get some free Lovable credits. The first one is actually immediately here in the homepage, which is to share Lovable. If you don't have an account, you can find this link here. You are going to get a few free credits, and I'm going to get 100 credits if you sign up to a pro plan. That is a paid plan. That's about it. So this is number one. You sign up with a link that gives you credits. All right, let's go more. And if you have a look, they have a Discord, so Lovable. And it's one of also the few ways that you can get free credits. And they do a few options here. First and foremost, they usually do a Valentine's Day sale. So for instance, on this one, they did 50% off plans, meaning that especially if you were going to, let's say, double up, it was actually free. They also did 3 days, and one of them was 8th of March, meaning that you could use them, infinite. And you can also participate in live Lovable events. Let me see the post. Here it is, right? So meet the founders. It was like a series of events all around the world. Actually click on it, and then you can actually walk out of that with some Lovable credits. And here you go. Go to dashboard. Okay, I guess, is this not live anymore? Yeah, I guess it's not live anymore. But that would be another way. And then, yeah, I guess this was another possibility. So when they add the new Lovable payments, they also had this bug hunt where you could get free credits. So a lot of things that you can get, but now I'm also going to show you my favorite way, which is to complain. So you will find, and here we go. So here, if you go to support, help center, right? If you find a bug, and this is especially true for anyone already in the paid plans, right? So if you contact them, you share the bug, and the bug meaning either spent a lot of time something that should work, but it doesn't, or you spent a lot of credits because of a bug, like for instance, whatever, the planning was not working. You had to ask again and again, whatever. The run was basically forever, which obviously spends your credits. Find something that's worth mentioning as a bug and share. Because the thing is that not only are you spending things that you shouldn't spend, and of course, ideally you would get some credits out of it, but also you share bugs with them. And I do think any company likes that people share the bugs, because that's really the only way that they can fix it. Therefore, to sum it up, complain, sign up with a link or share yours with other people, and make sure you pay attention to their Discord channel because they're always announcing something. If you're interested to know more about Lovable, make sure to check out this video.